In this paper, we have implemented the Kuchibashi, a new Caledonian Crow's beak-like tweezers, and conducted a user study to evaluate the usability of the prototype for human. This study aims to construct a new type of tweezers that further improve its graspability and physiological friendliness by biomimicking the new Caledonian Crow's beak shape. New Caledonian Crow's beak shape was reproduced identically and implemented to fit human hands as tweezers. It was modeled in 3D CAD and printed with a 3D printer. Fingers, tweezers, and Kuchibashi, which is our proposing tweezers, were compared in pinching tasks as quantitative study and in questionnaire as qualitative study. Pinching experiments were consisted of two tasks, transferring all 10 glass beads and transferring one red bead in the center. They were done with beads of 3 mm to 14 mm. As a result of quantitative study, Kuchibashi not only has comparable task completion time with tweezers, but also has faster completion time in larger beads. As future study, the use as tableware can be considered from Kuchibashi's advantages. Therefore, new prototype and user study can be designed.